Once you have created your site, saved any changes you have made, perhaps preview the site to make sure that you're happy with everything, then it is time to publish. But before you do this, don't forget to preview the mobile version of your site to make sure that you're happy with both the mobile design and the desktop design. If you want to publish your site for free, that is, without taking out one of Wix's paid for hosting options, then all you need to do is make sure that you are in the edit screen, not the preview screen, and then click the publish button top right of the screen. Then you will see a congratulations message, which will also show you the URL of your new Wix site. Keep in mind, if you do go for the free hosting option, then the URL will be a Wix URL and not your own. You can only publish your site under your own domain name if you buy one of the Wix hosting packages.